Hello, if you are wondering if there is a fingerprint sensor available on Motorola Edge 50 Pro, then the answer is yes. If we go to the settings, then choose security and privacy, then device unlock, over here we can set up the fingerprint. So if you want to set up the fingerprint for yourself, then this is how we can do this. We can tap setup, and now we need to find the sensor, which is of course over here in the middle at the bottom of the screen. So let's say I'm gonna use my thumb, and there we go. Now we need to pretty much touch it several times. At the top you can see the line. This is the progress of the setup. So try to touch it with different from different angles in order to make sure that every time you touch it, even using a different angle of your finger, then you can still unlock it so that there are no issues. And there we go. Now we can of course add another fingerprint if you want to, or we can press done. And there we go. Now we have our fingerprint. We can also press the sensor in order to see which fingerprint option it is saved as. And if we lock this screen, then we can press over here in order to quickly unlock the screen. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.